This could be the car for you. The 2022 Toyota 4Runner. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get excited about getting dirty when you head for off-road adventure in this rugged 4Runner. Its four-wheel drive capability blends smoothly with its conveniences and safety features to keep you confident and relaxed on any terrain. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, fog lamps, power driver seat, Wi-Fi hotspot. The hard-working 4Runner won't last long. Why not treat yourself to a test drive? Our knowledgeable staff will make it fun, relaxing, and informative. Come on in. We look forward to meeting you.